Today I'm doing a product review of this Tex-Mex. What it is jackfruit.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Okay, so we've been running around, and so what we decided to do is add a quick dinner. So what we're doing here is we're using jackfruit. It says of a jackfruit company, and this is Tex-Mex. It's quite hot, but watch how I'm doing it. I'm going to be placing it on a plate right there. And we went to the store today and we got some rolls for 53 cents. You just can't beat that. So we're going to take one of the rolls. I've already cut it in half, and I'm going to lay this right inside the roll and then warm it up. Now, I've never had jackfruit before. Got enough of a taste on it can go right on top of your bread like this. Now, if the pieces are too big, just simply cut them down. Like there's this one here. If it's too big, just cut it down. Now, if you're having trouble transferring from meat to a non-meat, this is a good way to do it. Because jackfruit has a lot of texture that is similar to the meat texture, which is one of the reasons why people use it. And we're just going to lay that over here. And one package can easily feed 2 people. Now watch, I'm going to turn it on my microwave for 1 minute. The rest of this, I'm going to put it back in the package, and I have maybe enough to make a little taco out of it, or put it on a piece of bread like I did it with the first video that you saw. Okay, so it is 1 minute later. The bread's nice and warm. Watch me as I cut it in half. Put this away. Yeah, it's really hot. This is good. A little hard to cut it. So I could actually give half of this to my wife, though I'm not going to do that. I mean, or somebody else, and it'd be plenty of food. Okay, so we're going to have a little bite over here so I can show you what it looks like. It might have been easier to cut this on a mat. So I basically destroyed the sandwich. So here I am, 6 o'clock at night, just came back from getting all of my groceries at the store. And the jackfruit it doesn't taste like meat, but it has the texture of meat. And I think that's why it's so appealing to so many people. Now this one is a little too hot for me because it got jalapenos in it. But it's still a good meal. Something to think about. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on our next review. Bye-bye.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.